About 3 months ago, I did something that changed my life forever. Since starting my YouTube channel in October 2024, I've gained over 1,100 subscribers and more than 145,000 total views. This video is about how reaching 1,000 subscribers has transformed my life. I posted my first YouTube video on October 1st, 2024. I recorded it on my Microsoft Surface Pro, and the game I was playing was called Stardew Valley. That video got 122 views and I gained 2 subscribers from it. It was incredible to see those numbers, but what amazed me even more was how much fun I had creating the video. I've always loved creating things. My mom often tells me this story about how I was little. I'd stop to watch the flowers swaying in the breeze while everyone else was running around in a rush. I've always been captivated by creation and the curiosity of emotions. YouTube has become a way for me to cultivate this love and express my inner self through my creation. I know that many of you guys feel the same way. We have this energy, this hope, to uplift and inspire one another, to spread love to those around us, to make people feel joy. And for me, YouTube is a great way to do that. The first thing that I actually learned was the reality of this life here on Earth. This life is beautiful and filled with many wondrous things, but there are certain stereotypes that keep us on a one-track mind. People try to shove us in a box. The immense distractions of politics, what that guy or girl is going to think about us when we say the certain thing, what our parents might even think if we told them what we actually cared about compared to something that they cared about, whether we have enough money to buy that certain thing that we've always wanted. We've all been there, and it simply just sucks. Filming YouTube videos, talking with my audience, editing, and checking my analytics have all contributed to me receiving more joy from my hobby. This really made me think because I was so glad to have something that I got so much joy from and that I could give joy to others through it. I get to bring joy to others while creating something that's gonna last. It's simply just amazing. The fact that I get to be alive in such a time where I can utilize technology and build something awesome is absolutely astonishing. And hey, this is something that everybody can do. If nothing, I hope that you would take away from this video one thing. I hope that you would understand that you are capable, you're strong, and you're an able person. You're allowed to have joy and hope in this world. You're allowed to laugh and cry and be upset. You're allowed to be you. And for me, I absolutely love creating things. I like singing, I like editing, even making Excel spreadsheets. I love classical music, writing, and I believe I'm one of the most emotionally in tune young men that I've ever met. I can't help myself but be so grateful that I've been made like this, because this is exactly what my dad is like. He loves to create and design amazing artwork. The amount of intricacies included in his pieces are absolutely astonishing. The way that the body fights off disease, the way that the brain works and is able to translate messages to and from the body, the way that the sun goes down below the horizon and creates a beautiful array of vast hues that intricately shine on one another. My father is the God of the universe, and I'm so glad to share in that creativity with him. He has made us in his image after all. And so the last thing that I'll say is that I've never really cared a ton about what people think of me. Everybody is obviously affected by the things that other people say about them, but doing something like YouTube really helps with that. I've done YouTube in the past and even gotten paid before. And every time that I would do it, I would always try and keep it a secret because I knew the kids in school would make fun of me. Obviously it helps now that I'm a senior in college and no one really cares about things like that anymore. But it's still super cool knowing that I can be free to do what I want to do and tell people about it without being scared of being made fun of or looked at differently. I've had friends ask how my day has been who also don't know about my channel, and I'll tell them I've edited some videos, and they'll look at me for a second, curious to why I'm making videos, and then I tell them. They can tell that I genuinely care about what it is I'm doing, and they always say, hey, I'm glad for you, thank you for sharing. And when you genuinely care about what it is that you're doing, your confidence has no reason but to be bolstered up and strengthened. So be confident in yourself. Be confident in who you are as long as you're not being stupid, you know? So yeah, YouTube's changed my life. I'll be monetized here soon, and that will be an awesome bonus to this already wonderful hobby of mine. Thanks for watching. And as always, I'll see you in the next episode. Deuces!